Hey guys, welcome back to the Southern Rustic. If you're new, I'm Sam and welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a delicious and easy lemon blueberry muffin. They are absolutely delicious. And plus they're easy to keep on hand. I love to keep these on hand, especially during the school months, because it's just easy for my daughter to just grab one and go. She can eat them on the bus. So yeah, let's go over all of the ingredients and let's get started. Okay guys, so hopefully you can see everything pretty well. So for starters, we've got some wheat germ. Now you don't have to add this. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. Don't run out to the store just to pick some up. You can leave it out. It's completely up to you. I just like to add a little bit on the top just for a little added crunch. I've got some baking powder, salt and baking soda, flour, blueberries, butter, lemon zest, and lemon juice. I've got eggs, buttermilk, and some sugar. And that is all we're going to need. So let's get this all started. We're going to start off with our wet ingredients, then our dry, put them together, and let's get these muffins going, guys. Okay, guys, so got my sugar here, and I've got my butter. My butter is at room temperature, slightly on the warmer side. And we're just going to cream this together until it's all very well combined. We're going to do that with this spatula just to get it incorporated. Now, this is going to take a minute. You can do this in a stand mixer. You can do it with a hand mixer. You can do it by hand like I'm going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this all well combined, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay guys, so I've got this all mixed together. I went ahead and preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I've also went ahead and cracked my eggs. Now I'm going to add these in one at a time. I'm going to mix them in until they're very well combined and creamy and smooth. You want to make sure that they're very well combined before adding in the next egg. That way it just ensures that there's no lumps and everything is very well incorporated. Next egg. Okay. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add in our lemon zest and our lemon juice. And we're going to get this all mixed together. Now it's going to look a little bit curdled because of the lemon juice. But don't worry, it will come together when we add the dry ingredients. It will be just fine. Now we're going to add in all of our buttermilk right in there. And give this a little mix. Okay. Oh, I love the smell of lemons, you guys. They smell just absolutely delicious. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a little bit of this flour to my blueberries and just give them a toss. And this is going to help them from sinking down to the bottom of the batter when we cook them. Okay. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients to our, we're going to add our baking powder, salt, and our baking soda to our flour. I'll get it out in a minute. And we're going to give this a mix. Make sure everything is very well incorporated. Alright. Now we're going to just add in all of our wet to our dry. And this makes a lot, you guys. You can certainly half this if you don't want to make such a big batch. That is completely fine. So we're going to go in and try out mixing this with this little whisk here. It might get too thick for that, but we're going to try. Yep, it's a little too thick. Scrape some of this off. Okay, we'll just fold this in. And I should have got a bigger bowl, but it'll be okay. You just want to mix this together until everything is well combined and smooth. And as you can see, it's already very airy. And that's because of the baking soda, lemon juice, and the buttermilk. So just make sure you get all of the sides and make sure everything's combined from the bottom. Okay, give my hands a rinse here. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our blueberries and give it another little quick toss. Just to get these blueberries incorporated. Alright, now I've got my muffin tins here. And they're just little silicone muffin tins. I'm going to use those now. This makes about 20 cupcakes. So this makes about 20 or so muffins. All you're going to do is just scoop out a little bit, plop it into your little tin here. You want it about 3/4 of the way full. And like I said, these are very easy to freeze, and you can just pop them out whenever you need some to keep them on hand during the week. They make for a very good quick breakfast, and they are just absolutely delicious. Alright, so I'm going to set the rest of this batter to the side, and I'm going to top these with a little bit of wheat germ. Now, like I said, this is optional. You don't have to do this. If you don't have it, don't rush out to get it. It is completely fine. So I'm just going to top these. I'm going to pop them in my 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean when you insert it into the center of the muffin. And I will meet you back here when they are done. Okay guys, so my first batch of muffins are done, and they're cooling right back here, and I've got one here still a little bit warm, so I'm just going to break this in half and show you what the center looks like. It's very nice and fluffy. And that look good. They smell amazing. You're gonna love these. It's not too lemony, and it's not overly sweet. And the blueberries paired with the lemon in here is just absolutely delicious. So yeah, you guys, if you want this recipe or any of my other recipes, head on over to my website. It's linked in the description box below. Also in the comment section, just hit that little link. It takes you right to my website, and you can look up whatever recipe you desire. So I am going to go ahead and get my other batch out of the oven and let them cool. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.